Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto 5 online on PC. First, ensure you own the game on a platform like Steam or the Epic Games Store. Once installed, launch the game and select Grand Theft Auto Online from the main menu. This will seamlessly transition you into the vibrant world of Los Santos, ready for countless adventures. Get ready to dive into an expansive online experience with friends and fellow players, exploring everything the city has to offer. After entering the online world, your first task is to create your unique character. You can customize their look, gender, and even some starting attributes. Following this, you will complete a few introductory missions that teach you the fundamental controls and game mechanics. These initial tasks also provide you with some crucial starting funds, perhaps a few $1,000s, which you can use to buy your first weapon or protective gear. To progress in Grand Theft Auto Online, earning money is key. You can engage in a wide array of activities, from thrilling races and challenging missions to elaborate heists that can net you hundreds of thousands of dollars. As you accumulate wealth, consider investing in properties such as high-end apartments or lucrative businesses, which can provide a steady stream of passive income. Remember to continuously upgrade your arsenal and vehicle fleet to stay competitive. Grand Theft Auto Online truly shines with its social elements and diverse activities. Consider joining a crew to team up with other players, making group missions and heists much more enjoyable and successful. The expansive open world is filled with dynamic free-roam events and challenges that pop up regularly. Don't forget to utilize the in-game chat or voice communication to coordinate with your friends, enhancing your cooperative gameplay and overall experience in Los Santos.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.